Black Friday is here and you're drowning in plugin deals. 80% off, 90% off, must-have bundle everywhere. But here's what nobody tells you. Most of these deals won't make your music better. I'll show you exactly which deals are worth it. Beginners, intermediate and experienced. I've got you covered. Let's stop wasting money and start upgrading your sound. Before we start, do you even need new plugins? Quick reality check before we jump in. If you're a beginner, the plugin industry targets you hard. They make you feel like you're missing something. But here's the truth. Stock plugins in Ableton, Logic, and FL are powerful enough. And you can literally release music with just stock tools. So ask yourself this question first. Where is your bottleneck? Tools or skills? If you're still learning arrangement, EQ basics, compression and gain staging, if mixing balance and workflow still confuses you, you don't need any shiny plugins. You need solid techniques. But if you hit the limits of your workflow, if you know your tools inside out, then a few strategic purchases can transform your sound. Alright, let's break it down by skill level. Beginners first. I'll be honest here. Your main goal is simple. Keep things simple, not collect software. Here's recommendation number 1. FabFilter Pro Q and Pro C. They have 25% off for Black Friday. These tools are industry standard. You cannot go wrong with them. The interface is super intuitive and clean. But here's the thing. Ableton EQ8 and glue compressors are completely fine too. So you only need if you really want to upgrade. Recommendation number 2 might surprise you. Sound ID by SonarWorks. This is a standalone app or a DAW plugin. It calibrates your speakers and headphones. It delivers accurate studio reference sound. And this matters more than any other purchase. You need to hear properly before making production decisions. Bad monitoring ruins everything else. Now here's what beginners don't need. Big reverb bundle. You won't use them. Multiband anything. Too complex right now. Complicated saturation tool. Stick to the basics. 20 different synths. Master one first. Big channel strip collections. You get overwhelmed. These tools slow down your progress. Learn your tools inside out first. Play with them. Push them to the edge. Find out how they behave at extreme settings. Think about the old studio days. Engineers had 20 to 30 hardware unit max. They weren't buying hundreds of modules. They mastered what they had. Your modern DAW has tons of plugins already. It's about learning them, not buying more. Find your signature sound with that what you have. Now, if you're an intermediate, things change. You understand gain staging, EQing vocals, mixing kick and bass. You've got the fundamentals down. Black Friday can be your moment to upgrade your workflow. High-end compressors, EQs and color tools make sense now. Universal audio plugins are incredible. Softube makes amazing stuff too. Both companies recreate famous outboard gear digitally. They make it available for in-the-box work. And yes, both have Black Friday specials running. Now let's talk about creative effects. Soundtoys is classic. I use them on every single mix. It's industry standard for good reason. Shaperbox is another game changer. Very innovative concept overall. You can create sounds difficult to achieve otherwise. Both tools expand your creative palette, not just technical ability. And both have Black Friday specials right now. Here's what intermediates don't need. 50 GB orchestral libraries if you do not compose. Huge vocal chains you don't understand yet. Random glitch effects you'll use once and forget. Buy what fits your actual workflow, not what looks cool in the demo. For advanced producers, Black Friday is perfect timing. You know exactly what sound you're chasing. You know your workflow inside out. Want famous outboard gear in your box? Check out acoustic audio, but only if your machine can handle them. They put serious load on your CPU. Then there are specialized plugins. Wave Factory and their Track Spacer is brilliant. Great tool for working around frequency clashes. For special effects, check out Eventide. They've been in the business for about 50 years. Produced studios must have since then. Their Black Friday covers plugins and also outboard gear. This can be a good time to upgrade hardware too. Audio interfaces upgrades make huge difference. Or look into buying a MIDI controller, like the Ableton Push controller. And lastly, room treatment and monitor. I know, not sexy at all, but this is a big actual upgrade. Black Friday is great for monitoring stands. Bass traps make huge differences. Calibration mics help you adjust room acoustic so that you can hear accurately. This stuff improves every project going forward, not just the ones where you remember the plugin. What nobody should buy on Black Friday. These things look amazing, but usually turn into regrets. Giant sample packs you never organize. Orchestral libraries if you don't actually use them. 25GB piano libraries collecting dust. Random AI mastering services that sound generic. Anything promising instant professional sound. Here's the rule. Buy it because you know exactly how it fits, not because the discount looks great. So there you have it. Black Friday deals that actually make sense. For beginners, keep it simple. For intermediates, expand your workflow. For advanced producers, get specific tools. And remember this above everything else. Your skills matters more than your plugins. A great producer with stock tools beats a beginner every time. So invest in learning, not just buying. Practice your craft, master your workflow, then add tools that solve real problems. If this helped you avoid a bad purchase, leave a like. Subscribe for more honest product advice and comment which deal you're grabbing this Black Friday. Don't overspend and happy music making!